So guys, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum here. Now this video is going to be more special because in this video I am going to show to all of you that how you can use ChatGPT or any AI app like Perplexity or any AI app to use in your daily life to improve your spoken English. So please be with me, and if you are new then please subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video. Okay. First of all, first thing is that ChatGPT is available 24/7 hours, including all the AI apps. If you do practice with any person, then he or she must get tired, but ChatGPT will never get tired. So in this video, I am going to make live conversation with ChatGPT in front of you. If you watch this video till the end, then I believe that you will get success 100%, and you will get at least this video helpful. So here is my ChatGPT app. Now I am going to open this ChatGPT app. Just give me a few seconds. Now I have opened the ChatGPT app. Now I am going to ask it a question, and the question is, "Hello ChatGPT, help me to improve my spoken English." Now I am sending this, and the ChatGPT will reply me within a few seconds. Full strategy how to improve my spoken English. So here is the full description, like key strategies to improve spoken English, what we need to do, like I need to think in English, shadowing technique, and what is shadowing technique, it has already described it. And the number 3 is daily speaking practice, how to practice, what to practice, it has already described it. And then number 4, use simple word first, like don't rush for fancy, etc., etc. And in number 5, practice with partner or AI apps. And number 6, focus on pronunciation, learn phrases, not words, consistency over intensity, etc., etc. So ChatGPT have already mentioned me, describe me what we need to do. Okay. So you have experienced that ChatGPT in within few seconds it has given me few results of my questions, that how to improve my spoken English, and the result is in front of you. Here one more thing that I want to include, that this is not a promotional video, so don't get it as a promotional video. I am just trying to make you know that how you can use your ChatGPT to improve your spoken English. Now I am going to ask one more question or few more questions to ChatGPT, and I will explain that how ChatGPT will reply me of my question. So here I am going to ask ChatGPT through my voice message. Okay, now I am starting it. You can enable it through your keyboard, like here. Hello ChatGPT. Sometime if the spelling is wrong, then you can correct it through the keyboard. Explain in short the role of grammar in spoken English and how to practice. So here is my question. Now I am going to send it, and whenever I send it, within a few seconds ChatGPT will reply me the whole details, like role of grammar in spoken English. Grammar is like the rule of the game, or but in speaking English, clarity matter more than perfection. Even if your grammar is not 100%, people will understand you if you speak confidently. And example, he go to market. Here is the sentence absolutely wrong, still understandable, but the correct sentence is went to the market yesterday. So how to practice grammar for spoken English? It has already mentioned that learn through sentences, not rules, use everyday grammar, practice by speaking, not only writing, listen and copy. So it is okay. Now that is how you can take help from ChatGPT to improve your spoken English. So here again the result is in front of your eyes, that how ChatGPT replied me of my question. Although ChatGPT and any other AI apps need premium subscription, but I believe that you don't need to go for the premium subscription. You can do it with the free version. And at last, if you have any question related to grammar, like any pronunciation, like any spelling, or making any sentence, then obviously you can ask ChatGPT, and it will reply you within a few seconds with explanation. Now again I am going to ask ChatGPT mistake question, like a wrong question which is grammatically wrong, and I will see that how ChatGPT will give me a reply related to my question. Now again I am going to search a question, like I have mentioned here, I have written here, typed here a wrong sentence. Grammatically the sentence is wrong. After lunch I am go to market for buy some vegetables. Now the command is make the above sentence grammatically correct. Now I am sending it. Okay, now I can see that within a few seconds ChatGPT has replied me that the correct version: after lunch, comma, I am going to the market to buy some vegetables. Breakdown, it has already mentioned and explained. Lunch, correct spelling. I am going present continuous. For by is to by instead of for by infinitive, which is infinitive verbs. So that is how you can practice spoken English through taking help from ChatGPT. So here again you have experienced that ChatGPT given me a correct version of my question, as I have asked ChatGPT a wrong question. I mean grammatically which the sentence was wrong, but ChatGPT make me correct that how I need to write that kind of sentence. So that is how you can use ChatGPT to improve your spoken English. So if you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and meet you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.